Hello, this is Jeff Cross, and the purpose of my presentation is to investigate the usefulness of the application Calculate by QxMD. The Calculate by QxMD application contains over 400 clinical calculators and tools to assist with and support clinical decisions in all different areas of medicine. The tools that accompany each of the calculators are useful in clinical practice by providing information with detailed searchable references. Calculate is designed to provide information that is useful in clinical practice to assist with diagnosis and treatment planning. This application was developed by a collaboration of clinical experts and researchers. Calculate is available for iPhone, iPad, Android tablets, and smartphones. It can be downloaded from either Android or iOS app stores free of charge. This application can be useful to nurses in over 30 different specialties. Calculate converts recent research publications into practical handheld tools that can be used by nurses at the point of care. The application also provides links to access the original research for a given tool or calculator. This application could be helpful to nurse educators as well as those involved in the development of unit policies and procedures. These tools were created and designed by medical doctors, researchers, and engineers who are experts in their fields. Getting started with Calculate is a fast and simple process. After downloading this application, you are prompted to enter your profession, specialty, and location. Next, the application opens using a very simple layout with your selected nursing specialty at the top of the page, and the rest of the specialties listed in alphabetical order for easy reference. The user interface is well designed with expandable menus for each specialty that opens the corresponding tools and calculators. Each calculator is a little different. For purposes of demonstration and review, we will discuss the DVT clinical probability test. This tool or calculator can be found under the specialty critical care and then under the expandable menu for medical ICU. Another way to find it would be to simply touch the magnifying glass icon and type DVT into the search window. After selecting a tool or calculator, the required template opens to collect the clinical data needed. The format is easy to follow and progress is shown at the top of the screen. For example, question 1 of 10. Once the needed data is inputted, the results are immediate. A screen appears displaying your answers to ensure nothing was entered incorrectly, with the results directly below. Clicking the information icon at the top right of the screen opens a page explaining the calculations along with medical journal references with links to view the abstracts. There are no legal, ethical, or privacy issues associated with this application. Calculate is meant to be educational in nature and should not be a substitute for professional advice. Calculate is to be used as a guide only and is not a replacement for health professionals' sound clinical judgment. No identifying information is entered into this application and no data is stored. This application covers a broad range of specialties and can be used as a tool to support clinical decision making. The layout is simple and interactive, making it easy to find the desired tools. There is an explanation for each calculator, including cited references with convenient links to the reference journals. Calculate is easily downloaded to iOS or Android platforms at no cost. Some of the limitations to this app include occasional broken links to abstracts, causing the application to shut down. All in all, this is a great tool, and I would definitely recommend it, especially for nurses who see a broad range of patients with complex issues, such as in critical care, the emergency room, or med-surg units. To summarize, Calculate is an easy-to-use and affordable application to assist healthcare professionals in decision-making and teaching. The tools and calculators were developed from research that is easily referenced and accurate. With over 400 different tools covering a wide range of specialties, this application can be useful to clinical nurses, nurse managers, nurse educators, and many other healthcare professionals.